What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking now. We're getting ready for our 5-box Gretzky mixer. Hell of a lineup, actually. Once it got posted to Facebook, it filled up pretty quick. We're live. Good luck. 4 times under random will get us our teams. And it's 11:16. We're live in less than 15 now. Clay to Clay, Anaheim to Winnipeg, and 11:16. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 11:16. 11:16, last and final. Fourth timestamp is at 11:16. And 11:16 it is. Let's copy these over. Columbus, top spot. You might want to stay away from there. To San Jose. Columbus to San Jose. And then Buffalo to Nashville. There is your teams, and now it's time to match the names up. 11:17, Clay, and everybody in between. 1, 2, 3, timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 11:17. 11:17 it is. Last and final will do it. Fourth and final timestamp for the night. 11:17 and 11:17 it is. Let's do it. Kyle, top spot to Mark. Halfway mark. And then we got Brian to Wesley. Alright, folks, here's the teams. We will post them for you to see. We're live in less than 15. Best of luck. See you soon.